So now, as I mentioned, we've got our composition the way we want it, but we need to render it. So what I would have you do is go under Window, and we're looking for the Render queue. So that's, a queue is a lineup. This is, if you had several things, you would line them up. In this case, we really only have one item. So again, remember we talked about this is the composition. These are the different sequences. So I bring the composition down here. And by default, it's the settings I've been using, best settings, lossless, so it doesn't get compressed. One thing we want to be careful of is where's it going. I've set it up to go into the movies directory for the same folder, the same animation 2175, which has the scenes directory and the images. So this is what I was trying to talk about with the path. The software knows the images directory through this path is where it will find these images. I'm going to put the movie there, and I'm also keeping my After Effects file in that same movies directory. So everything that After Effects needs is kept in the same directory as the scenes and images directory. So that confirms that I have my movie in the right place. I didn't show you. Make sure that you use QuickTime, or if you're on a Windows machine, you're going to use an AVI format. Then it's just a matter, now you think you did something because you said save, you actually didn't do anything, you just told it where to put the image. You have to hit this render button. And bada bing, bada boom, you're done. Now you go to the movies directory. You find the movie you just made. Double click it on a Mac, will open up in QuickTime. And now we can see our movie. And we'll have to find out about getting rid of this Arnold thing down there. Okay, that's the end of that project.